Hello, welcome back to Carrie's Kitchen. Today we are making a no-knead bread. Add 230 grams of water to your bowl, half a teaspoon of yeast, a pre-ferment, don't worry if you don't have a pre-ferment, 5 to 10 grams of extra virgin olive oil or any oil that you have. Your bread will still be delicious. And 400 grams of bread flour. You can mix and match your flour, no problem. Add 5 grams of sea salt. Mix your dough up, make sure all the flour is properly hydrated. I prefer to use my hands because I like to fill the dough. Once all the flour has been incorporated, just form it into a ball and let it rest for an hour. Keep mixing and mixing until everything comes together. The great thing about no-knead breads is you don't have to fuss over them. This is a very simple recipe that is going to be ready for you in no time. Let the dough rest for about an hour. After an hour, shape the dough and put it into your baking pan and let it rise for a second time. Here I'm shaping the dough to put in my baking pan. Line the baking pan with parchment paper. I wet my hands before shaping the dough so it doesn't stick to my hands. Just before sticking it into the oven, I brush the top of the bread with a little bit of water. You can use eggs. I sprinkle the top of the dough with some everything bagel jalapeno seasoning. Smells so good. And then bake at 375 degrees for 35 minutes. And look at that beauty. Isn't it beautiful? Hope you tried this delicious, simple, fast bread making recipe. Until next time, bon appetit!